amiguitos. Por su seguridad les pedimos permanezcan sentados con los cinturones abrochados. Hasta que el aviso de abrochar su cinturón haya sido apagado, estarán desembarcando por la puerta delantera y de la fila 3 a la 24 por la puerta posterior. Cuando usted escuche su número de fila podrá ponerse de pie, retirar su equipaje de mano y desembarcar de la aeronave. Mientras tanto, los demás pasajeros deben permanecer sentados hasta que su fila sea mencionada. Gracias por su atención y una vez más bienvenidos a la ciudad de Iquitos. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Francisco Secada Viñedo Airport in the city of Iquitos. For your safety, we ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off and the plane has come to complete the stop at its final position. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins as articles may have shifts. From now on, you may use your cellular phone. If there is any passenger who needs assistance, please remain in your seat until all passengers have disembarked. On behalf of the Star Peru, Captain Carlos Camacho and his crew, it's having a pleasure having you on board and we're looking forward to seeing you on board again. For your information, local temperature